Hello friends, welcome to English Tube. In this video, we are going to learn how to write 10 lines on the state Nagaland. This video also covers the topic how to write 10-line essay on the state Nagaland or 10-line essay on my state Nagaland. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line, Nagaland is one of the 7 northeast states. Second line, it is known as the land of festivals. Third line is, it is a rural state and most of the population lives in small, isolated villages. Fourth line is, in this state, bamboo is found extensively. Next line, the state capital is Kohima. The sixth line is, the majority of the population in the state speaks English, which is also the official language of the state. The seventh line is, the state has considerable resources of natural minerals, petroleum and hydropower. The eighth line is, most of the state's population depends on rural cultivation. The ninth line is the main crops are rice, millet, maize and pulses. The last line is the state's uniqueness gives the state an advantage for flourishing in the tourism sector.